Once upon a time in the enchanting land of Everglow, there lived two delightful princesses, Elsa and Aurora. Elsa was gifted with the power of ice and snow, while Aurora could summon radiant beams of sunshine to brighten even the gloomiest day. One bright morning, as the golden sun kissed the snowy mountains of Everglow, Elsa received an urgent message from the magical messenger owl named Hooty. Dear princesses, the flower crystal that blesses the kingdom with endless springtime has gone missing. The realm of Everglow needs your help. Aurora, with her warm heart and endless courage, looked at Elsa and said, "We must embark on a quest at once. Without the flower crystal, the beauty of Everglow will wither away." So, with glittering stardust cloaks and pockets filled with enchanted sunflower seeds, the two princesses set off across mystical lands full of wonder. They traveled through whistling woods, where the trees sang in harmony with the breeze, and the rainbow river sparkling with hues beyond imagination. As they journeyed, Elsa used her icy powers to create bridges across bubbling streams, while Aurora's sunlight shimmered to guide them through shadowy caves. Their friendship was as magical as the powers they wielded. But suddenly, they stumbled upon the land of lost echoes, where a mysterious mist swirled with whispers, playing tricks on their minds. "Listen closely," Aurora advised. "This mist isn't just here to confuse us. It's telling us a riddle." The mist whispered, "Delicate petals hold the key. Under moonlight, you shall see." Elsa crafted an icy mirror to reflect the moon's glow, while Aurora reached out to her sunflower seeds, sowing them across the misty terrain. And lo and behold, the flowers bloomed under the moonlight, revealing a glowing path of petals. Following the path, the princesses arrived at the secret garden where the flower crystal was hidden. It was guarded by the Sprite Sisters, playful fairies who giggled with joy. "To win back the flower crystal," said the sprites, "you must each show us your magical gifts." Elsa conjured a dazzling ice sculpture of a majestic unicorn, glistening under Aurora's sunbeams which refracted into 1,000 rainbows. The sprites cheered and danced around in delight. Aurora then whistled a tune that summoned butterflies dancing in spirals, their wings reflecting sunlight brilliantly. The Sprite Sisters were so enchanted by their gifts that they handed over the flower crystal, along with a pouch of sparkles as a symbol of friendship. Triumphant, Elsa and Aurora returned to Everglow, planting the flower crystal in the heart of the kingdom. Flowers blossomed in vibrant colors, and all creatures rejoiced as springtime returned to the land. Throughout Everglow, tales were told about the princesses' bravery and the magical quest they undertook. And while the powers of ice and sunshine were wondrous indeed, it was the magic of friendship that proved to be the greatest gift of all. The end.